What's one thing about working as a royal genie that people would be shocked to know? What's a small decision you made that ended up changing your life in a big way?
Was my first month or second month na na-realize ko na parang,
Shucks.
I think this is not for me,
Mhm.
na every day I was crying.
Hello, Sunshines, and hello, world. I know, right? It's been a long time. What happened? Charis. Okay, so it's been a really long time before this vlog again.
Oh, yes.
And I know, medyo na busy tayo. It's a good problem after all because naging productive tayo sa work. But today, I'm so glad and I'm so happy to introduce to you our new guest. This is one of the inspiring people that I look up to mula noon hanggang ngayon actually. And I'm very proud to say na I'm one of his closest friends na considered to be one of the first Filipino who made it to be one of the royal genie. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you again one of the first royal genie Filipino na nakaabot sa Royal Caribbean, my sis Jay Galagate. Okay.
Okay
So
na to.
sis, wala lang. Nandito lang tayo para mag-chill as what I've said,
So
'di ba?
nice.
Pero sis, magtatagalog tayo.
Sa Tagalog.
So it's a
Okay lang
challenge.
lakot, Tagalog, English, Bisaya.
Ilonggo, 'di
Ilonggo.
ba? For the viewers. Pero bahala na sila mag-translate.
Kanami, this is no.
As in super. That's why I always go here pag may vlog. Because relaxing lang siya. Tapos ano lang, parang AI yung
Yung
background,
background.
'di ba?
Oo.
Parang inedit lang
Okay.
siya. Anyway, I'm so glad that you're able to share some of your time. I know kasi medyo busy ka. And grabe, it's been since last year, no,
Last
na
year.
nag-ano tayo, nag-plan.
Nag-plan ka.
Oo. Tapos hindi matuloy-tuloy. So,
Actually, I was quite hesitant.
oo,
Kay
oo.
feeling ko, though ka, I
Tagalog.
don't, ay,
Sige lang.
nahihirapan ako mag-Tagalog, sis. Mas okay kung English.
Okay lang.
Okay lang din.
Mm-mm.
Or, imo viewers, majority.
Tagalog.
Tagalog, yung
Mm-mm.
viewers. Okay. Sige, okay lang. I will try my best na mag-Tagalog.
Yeah, so going back, sabi mo bakit hesitant ka?
Hesitant ako, kay feeling ko, I don't know if I could, um,
Impart?
im-
Something to inspire?
not to, not that I couldn't impart something. Of course, everybody has their own story to tell.
Yeah.
And, but I feel like I'm not ready to be in a position where somebody will interview me. Like, I'm
Ah.
not really that person
Mm-mm.
to
Pwes, ako yon. Ako
no,
lang.
thank you for considering it
No.
several times na
Yeah, hindi kasi sa
reschedule,
totoo
pero
lang, isa sa mga taong grabe yung story na parang nanghihinayang ako na hindi niya ma-share. Kasi I know for sure na maraming may inspire. So,
hopefully.
yeah. So, sobrang excited ako because we have a set of questions na gusto ko lang itanong sa kanya. And,
Nakakatakot yung set of questions.
yeah, para sana meron kayong kahit papanong mapulot. Meron ba?
Hopefully, para
Yeah.
hindi masayang yung airtime.
Oo. So, magsa-start tayo ng mga question ngayon. Are you ready?
I have to be ready.
Of
Ready or
course.
not.
Thank you so much, sis. So, first question na gusto kong itanong kay Sissy is, eto, don't worry, warm up muna tayo.
Warm up.
Kasi,
Okay, that's good.
hanggang sa, alam mo yun,
Maging comfortable na.
maging intense na yung usapan
Okay.
natin. Di ba? So, first question for you. If you could swap lives with a fictional character for a week, who would it be and why?
Fictional character.
Yes! Medyo nahirapan din ako sa pag-iisip nun.
Medyo mahirap. Pero,
True!
one of my favorite movies, The Black Panther.
Oh.
So, it's T'Challa, siguro, the Black Panther himself.
Why?
Arguably, he's one of the richest. He's
Oh, yeah.
probably the richest fictional character because vibranium is worth trillions, right?
Bongga!
Not just because of his wealth,
Mm.
also his character, his qualities.
Mm.
He is a genius.
And his love for his nation.
Yes, love
Wakanda
for his nation,
forever.
and he's an inventor. He's good in physical combat and martial
True.
arts.
Oh, really?
Oo.
Gusto
So,
mong maging ganon?
Oo. And of course, ang setting ng place nila, it's a fictional place
Yeah.
in Africa.
In Africa, exactly.
So the beauty of the place is surreal. So
Uh-huh.
siguro I would love
Anyway,
to.
true.
I would love
Alam
to
mo,
go
ang
there.
bongga
Given a
naman-
chance.
Bongga naman naisip niya. Kasi ako parang naisip ko, Moana lang.
Why not, di ba?
Sing-sing ka na lang
by the
dyan.
beach.
Charot. Pero, yeah, hindi ko siya naisip actually. Kasi
Iba
most
siya.
common, di ba parang
Superman,
Superman,
siguro ganyan, no?
yan, mga
But,
kilala. In fairness to you,
Oh.
kakaiba yun. Tsaka gusto ko
Question
yung
na-
part
okay,
na
tapos
one
na.
of the richest.
if
One
not
of the
the richest, kay,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
I mean, Tony Stark is also rich.
Yes.
He's a billionaire.
Pero ang common
Ah,
kasi, no?
Common.
I like that. I like yung mga hindi common talaga. Gusto ko yung mga ganun eh. Diba?
Anong common denominator?
Exactly. Good warm up
Warm up,
answer.
okay.
Well, here's my question number 2. What's one thing about working as a royal genie that people would be shocked to know? And can you give us like a brief background of ano exactly yung ginagawa mo as a royal genie?
Ang hirap ng,
Ano ba
ng
yung mga-
question kung ano yung,
Masashock kami
yung
na hindi
shocking
namin alam.
info.
Hold
I
on.
couldn't divulge anything
Kasi alam
na
mo,
with
sa nakikita namin kasi, napaka-lux
yes.
lang dating
Siguro,
talaga.
siguro yun na lang.
Ah.
Siguro it's a given naman na ang sasabihin ko, pero siguro not everybody, majority of the people siguro,
Mhm.
kasi hindi naman tayo cruising sa Philippines, so hindi pa masyadong well known ang cruising sa Philippines. Diba? You have to go outside of the country to
Mhm.
go on a cruise.
Mhm.
Siguro one thing that I could say na shocking, siguro even me when I started working with Royal Caribbean as a Royal Genie, I didn't expect that people would pay an exorbitant amount of money
Really?
just to go on a cruise, in a
Cruise.
7 days, 7 nights
Okay,
cruise.
sige. Shocking nga talaga yan.
Shocking
Sige.
siya. In a
Anong-
sense that
Mhm.
if we are going to convert it sa pera natin,
Mm-mm,
it's
sa peso.
millions for just a week.
A week. Okay. Sige, can you shock us too? Like how much is that in Philippine peso for a week? Yung parang feeling mo exaggerated
Parang
na naman na.
exaggerated.
Oo, exaggerated naman na.
So you do the math.
Oo.
When we first started, people pay like around $150,000
$150,000 for a week?
for a week.
Hold on. Magka-convert tayo. So right now, dollar is, let's say 55.
55.
8 million! 8.2?
Yes.
In
And that's
a
for
week?
a family. Yeah, that's for a family of 4 with
With jet to holiday.
with yung accommodation, of course. They have the biggest suites in the ship, so we take care of the top 11 suites.
So when we say biggest suite, ano yung gaano siya kalaki talaga?
It's like most of the time it's a 2-story, it's a loft type. suite with
Ah,
multiple bedrooms,
uh-huh.
uh,
So parang
huge living room. So you cannot feel that you're actually inside the ship because
para talaga siyang Okada, like mga ganong
yeah,
levels na hotel.
yes,
Grabe. For a week?
for a week, and that's just the fare for the cruise.
Oh,
So, and most of the time they spend a lot of money also on the cruise. So these people really have a lot of money. You can't tell that, like, most of them, they don't really dress really
ano,
luxurious.
luxury,
Like,
oo.
you can see them very very
Simple lang.
simple, simple lang,
Parang
pero
laid back lang.
when you know how much these people
Oh,
are paying,
uh
you'll
Mga old rich,
it's
old
like,
money,
yeah, that's
ganun. Grabe, guys. That's really shocking indeed. Kasi
yeah.
yung 8 million na yun, may bahay na tayo dito sa
For them, they can only
Pilipinas.
spend that for like a week,
Grabe.
'di ba? And hence yung trabaho ko
Aha.
um is also very critical
Okay, yeah. Gusto kong
because
malaman, bakit siya naging critical? And
uh,
from the word,
Royal
royal
Genie,
genie.
'di ba?
Oo,
Ano ba yung
parang grabe yung
ginagawa?
responsibility for me
Oo.
ha. Yun yung parang naiano
Oo.
ko nafe-feel ko. What's
So,
exactly?
Royal Genie siguro because the company is Royal Caribbean.
Yeah.
Um, and you know what's a genie?
Yeah.
It's like granting wishes. So
Oh.
that's my job basically. I grant wishes of my
So,
guests, no matter
question.
what it is. It may be a simple request up
Oh.
to like
Oh,
the most absurd request.
may question ako dyan. So, since you are granting their wishes as a genie, I think this is one of the challenge, no? What if hindi covered sa package nila and they are requesting
Something
something
na hindi
na hindi siya included? How
included.
is that part of your
That's part of
job?
the job, of course. We are
Okay.
trained
To
that
decline?
no is not an answer.
Oh, really?
That's our training. No is not an answer. So you
Oh
have
my
to find a
goodness.
way
Uh-huh.
to cater to the guest request. Of course, there are requests that you can't really grant, but that's where your critical thinking
Applies.
and your being resourceful comes into play.
Grabe, parang ginagawa ka pala talagang genie na magician, no? Na you
Yes.
have to make it work.
You have to, yes. You're like, I'm
Parang
here for
hindi ko
you.
kaya.
Well, to be honest,
Oh,
it's a really nice job. I mean,
oo.
it's the demands
Oo.
are there,
Yeah.
the challenges are there, but oftentimes it's also rewarding when you are in the hospitality
Okay,
industry.
sige, saglit lang. Napunta tayo sa rewarding part. When we say rewarding, talaga bang mandatory for them to give you a tip after they disembark?
It's not mandatory.
Mm-hmm.
It's entirely up to them if
Ah.
they will give gratuities at the end of the cruise.
Oh, what do
It
you call
not
them?
gratuities, gratuity or the tip.
Oh.
So most of the time, when you are deployed
Mm-hmm.
in the US,
Mm-hmm.
it's good because they are a tipping culture.
Ah.
So automatic they will give a tip,
Oh.
unless of course if they have a
Mm-mm.
budget or what. But it's just a
Ah,
matter
really?
of if they like you or they don't like you, and
How
even
about
sometimes if
European?
they're not mga Europeans, they're not a tipping culture because in Europe,
Ah.
um, everything is included on the check.
Ah,
So
okay.
wala
So
na
parang
wala.
counted na yun dun.
Oo, but
Parang,
kung well-traveled ka, even if
mm,
you're from Europe, you tip. Pero
ah,
not as
kasi
much
parang,
as the US, so the Americans
ganun.
will do.
Really?
Yes.
Pero anong pinakamaraming nationality so far na talagang nandyan lagi
Nagko-cruise.
sa cruise?
US,
Ah,
always,
really?
yes. Even if we are in Europe, Americans would fly to Europe
Oh,
to cruise.
sis, I have a question that comes up into my mind na hindi siya actually kasama. Pero was there a time na sobrang, have you handled a guest na sobrang sad ng story niya na share niya
Of
sa'yo?
course, yeah, doing this for siguro mga magti 10 years na ako ga-cruise.
Okay.
I think I've handled every type of person, every background, with oftentimes people go on a cruise. Not everybody, but most of the
Most.
time they go to cruise because they're lonely. They don't have nowhere to go.
Mm.
Um,
If you
it's
can
a different
remember,
ball
yeah.
game in the US compared sa Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
Like for us, the Philippines, we're very close knit, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Family
even
oriented.
if we're not living in the same area, but we
Mm-hmm.
have relatives all
Mm-hmm.
around the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
We go visit. You know, our parents, grandparents still live with us.
Mm-hmm.
There in the US, it's different. Once they're they're retired,
Mm-hmm.
either they
To a
go
nursing
nursing
home,
home
no
or
family
yeah,
to ano, yeah.
not everybody but majority.
Majority, yeah, I
So
know.
people spend their retirement actually on a cruise ship. We
Really?
have a lot of guests who are practically living on
Hmm?
the cruise.
Like
They would
living?
stay there for months and then would go home for a week and then come back again.
Bakit?
I guess
Mas mura
it's
ba?
cheaper
Ah,
for
really?
them. They said it's
Than getting a
cheaper
home in a
than getting,
nursing home.
yes, or buying a house and staying in the house.
Mm-hmm.
Because there, once you're in a cruise, everything is included. Food,
Mm.
you have a place to
Tapos pampered
stay.
ka, no? Kasi
Yeah,
food is
very
24/7
important. So I think you
nandyan.
will like it.
Really? Actually, yes, plan ko rin. Pero nung nalaman ko na kailangan mo ng 8.2 million, talagang in my dreams
that
na lang
that
siguro.
8.2 million, if you're going to cruise on a star
As,
class, yes, that's my
oh.
guess. That's what we call
Oh,
them,
really?
star
So,
class.
ibig
They're the
sabihin,
highest
mas hinahandle mo
category.
talaga yung mga
But top
star.
VIPs, yes.
Oh
But
my
if you're
God.
just going to cruise on a regular cabin,
Et,
then the price is not
eto
gonna
talaga
be
yung
decent.
pinakanahangaan ko sa kanya. Imagine, who would have thought, 'di ba? From Rojas City, makakapag-handle ng VIPs, star class, star cruise, 'di ba? So I like that. I like that. Pero parang grabe yung pinagdaanan mo, sis, before you
Before joining,
joining. Are you handling star class na ba when you joined, or did you start sa ano lang muna, mga not so VIP?
when I started in the cruise industry,
In
yes,
oh, you started na as ano na agad?
yes,
Iba talaga.
I was part of the first batch
Oh, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa
of
inyo.
of genies. I was
Mm-mm.
there's two of us, two Filipinos in our
Ah.
batch.
Can you tell me, can you compare what was the first time when you handled it versus ngayon na after like 10 years?
When I started, I don't know anything really. I'm like,
Mm.
I have an idea of working on a cruise ship based on what my friends are telling me, what
Mhm.
I'm seeing, ano nakikita ko sa mga classmates ko who are working on cruise ships prior to
Hmm.
me.
Okay,
I
okay.
basically late na ako join sa cruise industry. I was working for several years already in the Philippines,
Yeah,
and
yeah, I
then
remember.
I
Mm. It was a good names naman ng mga pinagtrabahuan mo.
na mga oo,
Yeah.
actually siguro dahil din doon,
Kaya
so
ka rin
kaya ako natanggap
na-approve. Yeah,
because
exactly. Kasi big names din talaga eh.
oo,
Hindi mo na kailangan ipakilala. Alam mo yung, pag sinabi mo palang ganun, okay. Hindi
alam
yung,
na.
saan yun? Yung mga di pong
Ah,
ganun, di
ah,
ba? So, it's a known companies din
it's a
naman.
known
And
company.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Kasi,
you, see.
sobra.
Oo,
Parang grabe nakaka-inspire because, hello,
oo.
since pagkabata, we're just the same town. Nakita natin
The
ang,
same place.
ang
Oo.
mga pinagmula natin, no? So, second question, ang dami ko palang
Ang
follow-up
dami yung follow-up
question.
question.
Sorry
It's
naman.
okay.
Okay, third question na pala tayo, no? Ito, nakakatawa. Kasi parang napaka-timely. So, if we were to swap jobs for a month, me doing your cruise life, you doing my work as a VA, who would survive longer? Ako
I
mangunguna.
think, okay, sige,
I
go.
think, so nalaman ko, um, honestly, sa nakikita ko sa kanya kasi parang easy peasy lang. So, parang naiisip ko every time na mag-a-upload siya ng video, ng picture, I want that life. Alam mo yun? I want that kind of life na parang you can go anywhere for free, luxury, and then ang dami mong makakasalamuhang mga VIP. Pero parang after mo mag-explain na yung mga tipong papagawin sa'yo, yung mga parang hindi naman, kailangan mo, you can say no, ganon. Isa yun sa mga weak, side. Ang hirap, nasistress agad
Mahirap.
ako. So, feeling ko, hindi ako magtatagal.
That's
Ikaw?
what I thought nung una. I almost quit actually.
Huh?
Um,
Like, for how many,
my first few months working,
like, ilang months bago mo sa, oh my God, hindi ko kaya to.
I think I was even on it was my first month or second month na na-realize ko na parang,
Shucks.
I think this is not for me because
Mhm.
like the pressure is so high
Mhm.
na every day I was crying. Every day I was
Really?
crying in my bed. Of course, I was brand new to the cruise life. I didn't know exactly na ganun yung mga i-deal mo.
Mm-mm.
The program is fresh, so basically we have to build it up from scratch.
Wala kayong training?
We had a training, pero training is different from the actual kasi you set expectations. We had a training in Germany with the British Butler Institute. So
Oh.
we went to Germany for the training with Gary Williams.
Ah.
Gary Williams, he was a butler of Margaret Thatcher,
Oh.
the British Prime Minister
Prime
before.
Minister, oo.
We were trained, but not exactly. We were trained by him, but not the conventional butler training because we're not butlers.
Ah.
We are Royal Genie. So
Mas
we had a
intense.
training, yeah. Pero the actual training is actually doing the job itself for the first time.
Pero paid na kayo nun?
Yes, during
Okay,
the training we were paid. Pero nung nag-start na talaga yung nag-live na yung program na we
Oo.
have to cater to our guests,
Oo.
at the beginning it was very difficult because we don't have a set SOP. We
Ah,
have
really?
guidelines, but
Oo.
then during that time, our guests have really high expectations because
Patience.
of the amount of money that
Na
they are
there,
paying.
exactly.
So it's like promising that you can have anything and everything you want and more. And then that's your job as a Royal Genie to fulfill that
Yeah.
promise. So
Oo.
basically they don't have to go anywhere else on the ship, they go through you.
Oo.
You have to fix everything. You have to set everything
Sa
for
isang
them.
paglalayag, Chares, sa isang cruise, ilan yung hinahandle mong guest?
Normally for 3 to 4 families.
Oh. Hindi ba yun siya over assignment? Hindi
Some
naman.
it can be
Oh.
swerte ka kung
Kung-
yung mga guest na nakukuha mo sobrang bait at
Ah.
hindi nagre-require ng a lot of time.
Mhm.
And they have to feel that they're your only guest.
Mm-mm.
Hindi
Oh my
pwedeng
God.
ma-feel nila
No,
na
may iba ka pang
he's not here
ina-entertain.
because he's with
Oo.
his other guests or whatever. So they
So
really
sis,
have.
first 2 months gusto mo nang umuwi.
Gusto ko nang
What
umuwi.
made you
I was
stay?
crying. I was crying actually.
What made you stay?
Well, I
Yeah, yun yung gusto kong malaman.
think what made me stay was the fact that I couldn't quit.
I know.
Like I made the decision to go
Mhm.
out of the country, work, and pero nung feeling mo hindi mo kaya,
Mhm.
hanggang doon ka na lang.
Mhm.
There's no other way for you but just to
Mhm.
quit
Mhm.
because your mental health is being affected. You're not enjoying what you're doing anymore. Pero I was lucky.
Ba-
I there was one person on board, also Filipino. I became good
One.
friends with him.
Mm-mm-mm.
And he's now a Royal Genie. But at that time, he was a concierge. But he was a long time concierge on the ship
Oh,
already.
okay.
So he knows a lot. He knows everything.
Mm-mm-mm.
He was the one who told me, because I went to him and I told him, like, I think
Hindi
I'm
ko na
not going to
kaya.
make it. Like,
Oo.
uwi na lang ako siguro. And he dragged me literally on the side, and he
Mhm.
was like, don't you ever quit, because I know that you can do it.
Aw.
There's a lot of people who wants to be in your position,
Place.
but they didn't make it, and now you're here, you're given this opportunity. Make sure that you don't waste this opportunity, because I know that you can do it. Sometimes siguro we just need somebody
Totoo.
to push us, because sometimes we doubt ourselves,
Oo.
'di ba? Hindi naman perfect parati.
That's why we need each other actually.
We need somebody just to see the
To-
good in us,
Yeah,
to push us.
to just tell you why you are valuable.
Yeah,
Minsan, sobrang sarap marinig. 'Di ba? Kahit na
that's very true.
ang dami nagsasabi ng ganito, ganon, minsan iba pa rin talaga pag merong nagre-remind sa'yo.
Yeah.
Kasi just to go back on track. So, feeling
So
ko,
feeling ko,
ako talaga hindi magtatagal.
feeling ko sis, magtatagal ka.
Why?
You know why? You're a people person.
Ganun ba yun?
That's
Advantage
one
ba yun?
of the advantages. You have to be a
Oh.
people person. You have to have time management, and you have to be very organized.
So, ibig sabihin, para lang din siyang customer service.
Yes, it's a customer
It's a customer
service.
service. Yeah.
But you have to be very, very detailed. You
Mhm.
have to be discreet, because again, you're dealing with
Mhm.
VIPs, people na, diba? And they're not ordinary people. Celebrities sometimes.
Diyos
You
ko.
have to.
Kahit ako di siguro sa part mo na yun, parang, parang
It
ganung
gets
level.
better though. Like, experience is the best teacher, diba? So
Mm-mm.
when I started, I doubted myself na parang I'm not worthy to be here, because nakikita
Parang
ko yung mga kasama ko, they're very good at what they're doing.
Mm-mm.
So,
Pero sis, it was actually a privilege for me. Bakit? Biruin mo, kung ako siguro, nung mga time din na nahihirapan din ako sa work ko, iniisip ko, who am I? And who are they? Kasi minsan there are times na ma-intimidate ka, di ba? Kasi talagang mga Lasal yan sila. Mga graduate sila ng Ateneo, mga ganon. Ako, sino ba ako? Di ba? Galing lang ako sa Capiz na nag-graduate sa Filmer. Di ba? So parang, minsan, may time nga na sa company namin, hindi nakalagay yung school natin na option. So, oh my God, nasa others pa tayo.
others that in you.
And then you have to name the school. So, alam mo ganung level. Pero parang binuboost ko na lang yung confidence ko in a way na I made it. Na makasama sila.
Of
Di ba?
course.
So, parang sabi ko, it's a privilege for me. Kasi, hindi lahat nga, sabi nga ng nag-guide sa'yo,
Nabibigyan ng chance.
hindi lahat nabibigyan ng chance.
Which is totoo naman.
Kasi ang daming gusto niyan talaga. Tama. I love it. I love it, sis.
Pero feeling ko, you can do it. Feeling ko, I can't do your job
Why?
as effectively as you are doing it.
Why?
Because, hindi ako makastay sa bahay, sis. For one.
Really?
Yes.
Samantalang ako, nasisira na lang yung battery ng sasakyan. Hindi talaga ako lumalabas.
I'm not the one who would, stay at home and work and be
Really?
productive.
Really?
Siguro I get
Maboboard ka?
bored easily.
Mm-mm.
And also,
Is your
hindi ko
brain...
na kayang magtrabaho sa gabi, sis.
Well,
Hindi ko na kaya. Old age.
sa totoo lang, hindi
Mahirap
lahat,
na for me.
Ako kasi talaga, ewan ko, I think na-research ko din, genetics din siguro, kasi bihira lang yung nocturnal na tao. Ako kasi, I am more productive at night talaga.
When I was younger,
Parang ganun
nung
din.
nag-start ako ng after university,
Oo.
siguro yun yung time na I can do it. Like, I can party every day.
Oo, I remember
I
the
can
time.
party every day. Ay,
Yung
Boracay,
tas
lasing ka,
pagka umaga
shower,
duty,
tapos papasok ka agad, 30 minutes. Kahit malate ka, go, pasok ka pa din. At
mga,
hindi mo
yun yung mga peak
iniinda kasi
era
bata
natin
ka
eh.
pa.
Oo.
Pero like right now, siguro, kung hindi na nga ako masyadong umiinom. Well,
Mm-mm.
actually, ever since, parang once pa lang ako nakainom since nagbakasyon ako.
Mm-mm.
Napapagod na ako, sis.
Ako naman, oo, yeah, I think it, hindi lahat, totoo yan.
Hindi na,
Hindi
oo,
lahat.
hindi na.
Medyo challenging
Oo,
talaga ang nightlife. Kasi baliktad yung mundo mo and
oo,
very struggle na siya as we age actually
oo,
na matulog sa umaga.
oo.
Kasi sobrang liwanag.
Tsaka one thing pa pala na hindi ko kaya is hindi ko kayang walang face-to-face interaction.
Ah,
Oo.
really?
That's
Oh.
one of the reasons why I quit my previous job before going on a cruise ship because I felt na I was caged.
Oh, really?
Because
Okay,
when I
okay.
started in the industry after college,
Mm-mm.
I started working as a front office agent. Diba? So
Mm-mm.
it's a face-to-face
Mm-mm.
interaction with guests.
Mm-mm.
I've been in that position for I think 7 years before I got promoted and
Sa
I
office na.
transferred to VIP Premium Services, which
Ah,
is Insular Resort and Casino,
oo.
and it's an office job. So
Hmm.
it's a
So,
you're
lagi
dealing with
mong
a lot of requests
eh, tsaka
from
office
VIPs,
mates.
pero it's not face to face with guests.
Ah.
So I stayed for 3 years, ha? Imagine.
Oo,
Imagine
nakaya mo pa.
nakaya ko until one day na parang I got bored and I
Mm.
decided, okay. I have to go. I have to move
So, parang it's not
forward.
for you. Parang
Oo.
hindi ka mag-grow. Parang
Oo.
gano'n. Ako naman baliktad kasi nagsawa na ako. Nakapakikisama sa mga office
Office.
people.
Oo. Oo.
Parang ang dami ko na napagdaanan sis at pinakasamahan. Napagod ako.
True. Sometimes
So
ganun
parang
din.
it's good to be alone working. Mas nagiging productive ako. Or it comes with age na din siguro.
True.
Nag-iiba talaga yung ano no, yung
Priorities.
priority, mindset, and everything.
Oo.
So,
True.
thank you for sharing. That's the best ano ata na nalaman ko about your job and everything. So next question tayo.
Okay.
Ato, nakakatawa. Meron talaga akong core memory natin eh. What's your funniest memory of us back in school? I don't know if the same tayo.
Alam mo, sa tagal-tagal na, parang wala akong maisip,
Paisip.
sis.
Meron
Can you
ako.
tell me something na...
This is so funny, sis.
Okay,
Di ba
sige.
ganito? Parehas tayo ng elementary.
Oo.
Antonio Villasis Memorial
Yes.
School sa Lanot. Parehas din tayo ng high school.
Oo.
Capiz National
Oo.
High School. And then same din tayo ng
Ng
college.
college.
Kasi natatawa ako sis kasi 'di ba ahead ka lang sa amin ng 1
1
year. So nung nag-graduate kayo ng grade 6, first year high school kayo sa Kapisay, nagsusulatan tayo. Remember?
Ay! OMG.
Walang cellphone tate sa panahon natin, 'di ba?
True.
Sis, I don't know if you can recall, but pinapadala namin siya kay Joanna. Kasi di ba nasa tapat lang ng school yung
Oo.
bahay nila? Nagsusulatan tayo nila Jan, nila Marivic, nila Tristan, kayo, nila Christabel,
Oo.
nila Jessa, Joanna.
Ay, oo. Uso pa yung mga stationaries.
Yes!
Naalala ko.
Tapos yung pinaka-epic, smile before you open.
Diyos ko, yung mga ganong...
As in, nagganon kami. Yun yung pinaka-core memory ko na binabalikan ko. Ang funny
Ang
pala,
funny.
no? Kasi nagkikwento sila actually ng
Kung ano yung
life
life.
nila doon. Kasi high school na sila. Kami yung naiwan as grade 6. Parang naging senior na kami doon sa sa elementary. That was really funny. Kasi promise, I don't know if you can remember, nagsusulatan talaga tayo eh. I don't know if makakita nila Joanna to, maalala nila.
Maalala
Pero ako
nila.
talaga, yun talagang
Yun
pinaka-the
ang
best.
naalala mo. Ako hindi ko masyadong naalala.
Eto pa, autograph.
Slambo.
Slam
Mga
book,
ganyan.
ganon. Yung
Hindi
mga,
ako masyado sa
what is
ganyan.
love?
Oo.
It's like a rosary, mga
Ang
ganon na.
hirap. Ang fun ng elementary ko, elementary was so much fun
Mm-mm.
for me. Pero nung pagdating nung high school, parang
Challenging
mas doon ko na na-realize na shucks, mahirap pala kami. Sobrang hirap. Kasi nakikita mo, dati sa Capiz High, lahat dyan, parang halos lahat nag-aaral, di ba? Like SSTC, special science class.
True.
And even if regular class ka, pero if
Mm.
you're on the higher sections,
Mm.
yung mga klase mo, lahat, puro valedictorians,
That's true.
puro salutatorians. Like, na, parang
Tsaka
upper
nasa higher section
1%.
ka?
Oo, section 1 ako since sobrang hirap.
20 sections.
Oo,
to
24 sometimes.
26 nga minsan.
Oo.
Yung section, tapos siya number 1.
Sa section 1.
Imagine the level
Feeling
of...
ko hindi ako, although honor student tayo nung graduate, pero parang nung dumating na ako doon, again, yung insecurities ko, gumana na naman kasi
Tapos,
yung mga kaklase mo.
those times sa batches natin, rich or poor, halo no,
Oo,
doon talaga.
totoo.
Tsaka, mostly nga ng rich nandun eh.
Andon,
Kasi mga
anak ng
special
governor,
science
anak
talaga,
anak ng mga doctors,
special
diba?
science classes sila.
Oo.
As in, so yeah.
So, yun lang yung background. Pero I had fun.
Bakit mo na-realize na high school ka na, mahirap
Sobrang mahirap
kami.
Oo, kasi nakikita mo you compare with... Kasi sa atin, di ba, parang nung nasa elementary ka pa lang, parang hindi ganun wide yung gap
Common lang din
sa mga
yung...
kaklase
Oo.
mo. Pero nung dumating na ako doon sa high school, people from around the province na yung mga
Yeah.
kasama mo. So, mas lumayo na yung, nag-widen na yung gap
Oo.
between the rich and the
Hindi,
poor.
tsaka ano na
So,
rin,
meron ng ganon.
teenage years,
Oo.
peer pressure,
Oo,
kumbaga.
peer pressure, grabe. I was
Pero-
very awkward nung high school.
Really?
Oo, pero I tried somehow.
Pero sis, honor student ka pa rin nun, di ba?
Oo, pero
talaga.
hindi ako naging honor student nung graduate nung fourth year.
Bakit?
You know why? Parati kaming late ni Joanne.
Oh, really?
First subject namin, hindi kami nakaka-attend. And
Sino?
advisor pa namin yung first subject
So,
namin.
nakikita niya kung gaano kayo kalit.
Oo, every time late kami parati kasi nag-iintayan kami. Nung high school, nagka-classmates na kami ulit.
Okay.
Kasi SSTC siya from first year to third year. Pero nung
Oo.
fourth year,
Napagod
nag-regular siya. Nagka-klase kami.
Napagod si ate.
So,
Oo.
andun, ano kami,
Parang
parang,
ano dun-
kaming parating late.
Grabe. Pag for section 1, mga 2, mga
Oo.
ganyang section, ang higher section, parang tagisan ng talino
Oo.
lagi.
Parang nakakapagod na kayo na lang dyan para
Oo,
mag-compete. So,
diba?
parang ganun na yung feeling.
Parang kasing nasa ano na rin ng mga lower, ako kasi section 13 ako eh. Chill lang ako doon. Chill lang ako doon. Hindi na ako nag-effort
Kasi
na
parang wala namang wala naman, kung
Uy,
hindi mo talaga gustong makipag-compete,
Oo.
sa high school and chill ka lang, you wouldn't care to be on a higher
Sa
section.
totoo lang, mas na-enjoy ko yung high school life dahil doon.
Dahil doon, oo. Kasi
Laid
yung,
back lang kasi ng section namin
siguro
eh.
hindi focus masyado sa inyo, na hindi kayo pinipressure din ng mga
Exactly.
teachers, diba?
Ang medyo na-hurt lang ako sa part ng ganyang mga lower section is, hindi namin nabibigyan ng opportunity mag-join ng mga gusto namin. For example, cheer dance,
Okay.
ganun. Kasi lahat nasa higher
Lahat
section ang focus.
Meron ganun ba?
Oo, sis.
Kasi hindi ako masyadong sumasali nung,
Really?
nung high school na, oo.
Ah,
Nung elementary, I was very competitive.
True.
Pero nung pagdating ng high school, because of
Ang dami
nagkaroon
ng
na nga ako
kompetensya,
low
feeling
self-esteem,
mo.
ang dami ng
Oo.
competition. So parang, wala na, sige, chill na lang ako, kayo na dyan. Parang
Nung college ba nag-join ka rin?
nung college, hindi masyado din ako sa extracurricular activities because I was a working student. So I don't have the time para
Saan
mag-join
ka
sa mga...
nag-working noon? Kasi I can't remember na you were
Sa
working.
university, sa
Saan
Philamer.
saang office?
Income generating project.
Saan yun?
So,
Hindi ko
part
alam
of the
yun.
canteen, bookstore,
Oh,
uniform
okay,
store,
okay.
ganon. But anyways,
Nice! That's
Parang,
nice! Very nice.
so that's
Okay.
your fun memory.
Oo, na hindi mo na naalala.
Hindi ko na, hindi ko na naalala. Sis.
Talaga, ako naalala ko talaga. Anyway, next question.
Okay.
If your life was a movie, what would the title be?
Title ng movie, siguro mga pang
Ano, mga sad ba?
hindi
Rom-com?
naman, siguro, parang mga, ano bang magandang title?
Patayin sa sindak.
Siguro na lang, Unbreakable.
Ay.
Diba? Parang,
Alright.
one-liner. Unbreakable.
Parang ang daming mong maiisip.
Oo.
Taray.
Ganon yun.
Oh my
Ayun.
God, gusto ko
Naisip ko.
yun. Totoo naman, sa pinagdaanan mo naman, talaga, sa cruise life pa lang, unbreakable ka
Unbreakable,
talaga.
oo.
Day!
I
Diyos
almost
ko.
broke.
Diba?
Char.
Pero that's, fairness, kakaiba talaga ito mag-isip. Itong sisi ko na to. Diba? Hindi mo maiisip kasi ako mag-iisip talaga ako, mga common lang. Ito iba. Anyway, next question. If there's one talent you want to be very good at, what is it and why?
That's easy. Singing.
Philip, parehas tayo.
That's one of my insecurities as well.
Really? Oh, sige, bakit?
It's not that I can't
Sing.
sing, but I can't sing in good enough
Mm.
for a competition or whatever.
Mm.
Kasi growing up, my cousins,
Ah,
they
really?
were
Singing?
singing.
Oh.
Like, di ba, na nagko-compete.
Ah.
Ko-compete
Nasa,
mga
nasa side ba na dugo na nino?
ng mom ko, ng
mother
ng mama ko. Si
side.
Romar.
Ay, oo, yes. Oo,
Oo,
yeah.
cousin ko yan.
Oo.
Di ba, first cousin ko, nagko-compete siya
Yeah,
dati.
exactly. Singer talaga yun.
Singer. Oh, even yung mga kapatid niya, maganda yung mga boses. I mean,
okay.
sa
So, why
barko, mga karaoke, napapasa.
Why not dancing?
Kasi I think nakaya ko na. I mean, I was a dancer.
Yeah!
Growing up, oo.
Elementary pa lang.
Elementary,
Folk dance.
Tapos nung high school pala,
okay.
nag-dance sports din ako.
Ah, okay,
Kaya nagkasama kami ni
really?
Tristan sa,
Oh,
this
hindi
is
ko
si
alam yun.
Tristan.
Nakalimutan
Hello,
ko.
this is Tristan.
Oo. Okay.
Oo.
Hindi, sa totoo lang din, ako din singing.
Singing
Pagbubutihin ko pa,
Oo.
kasi in a dance, I think anyone can dance eh.
Oo.
Diba? Tsaka, pag dancing, hindi ka masyadong mapapansin. Kasi mostly, nasa group
Nasa
ka.
group ka. Oo, true.
Pero pag singing,
sa'yo lang.
hindi
ikaw
talaga
lang.
mananakaw sa'yo.
Oo.
Kasi you will have your own unique voice.
Oo. And siguro, kung
totoo,
magaling kang kumanta, like,
you will make money talaga.
oo, diba?
Ang daming
We
singer
have a
na
lot of
Taylor
friends
Swift.
na, mga hindi
Oo.
naman ganung level, pero,
Mm.
I mean, their bread and butter is singing.
Yeah.
Their voice.
And then, tsaka yun
Diba?
nga, parang, iba din talaga na parang remarkable ka.
Oo.
Kasi kung dancing, common eh. Parang
Singing
anyone
talaga.
can dance.
Oo.
Ganun.
You know what's funny?
Ano?
When my colleagues sa cruise ship, of course, we are multicultural, multiracial, diba? Company. Every time na nalalaman nilang Pinoy ka, Filipino
are
ka, they
asking you
assume
to
easily na
singer.
you're a good singer.
Kasi yun tayo kilala
oo.
eh.
So may mga karaoke party, mga ganyan. So hindi ka pwedeng
Humindi.
Oo, humindi. So may list na ako ng song na kaya kong
I
kantahin
love it. I
na
love
okay
it.
lang, na hindi ako mapapahiya.
I love
Oo.
it. Ano yung first sa list mo?
Yung mga mabababa lang
The
na
course?
yung parang monotone.
Breathless?
Hindi ko kaya yung mga breathless.
Ah,
Yung
okay.
mga
Kaninong
ano
song?
ba parati
Kaninong
yung
kanta?
kinakanta ko na song na
Yung pinaka number...
passenger seat.
Ah, really? Yung mga chill
Oo,
lang.
mga chill lang.
Yung mga hindi ka lang bumirit.
Oo.
Okay. Yeah, that's true.
Ganyan.
Talaga mag-prepare ka na.
Oo.
Ito, next question. Ito magandang question. Inaantay ko talaga yung sagot niya. Kasi interesting eh. If you woke up tomorrow in a parallel universe
Ay.
where everyone knows you, but you know no one, what's the first thing you do?
Napakahirap naman ng
That's
question.
true. Pero alam ko kakayanin mo to.
Siguro I would go back to sleep.
Really?
Mag-go back to sleep,
Anyway.
matutulog ka. No, because para sa akin, that's a difficult situation to be in.
Parang hindi, kilala ka nila, pero ikaw hindi mo sila kilala.
Oo, that's
Amnesia.
having a amnesia.
Oo.
Exactly. Parang, di ba,
Oh yeah, na-curious ako.
that's
Paano
very
kaya i-handle
difficult
yun?
na, di ba, people know you, pero you don't know anybody.
Parang,
And I
Scary,
couldn't
no?
live. It's a scary place to be or a situation to be in.
totoo. Kahit ako
Because
ngayon ko lang na-realize.
ang hirap, like when
Parang
you're
hindi mo sure kasi yung safe.
thinking,
Safe ka ba dito?
Oo,
Diba?
diba? And you will
Yeah.
always have questions and doubts about people.
Pero, mabuti siya.
Diba?
Kung nasaktan ka. Wala kang
Nag-move on,
maalala.
wala ka na maalala. So parang, Pero you will always have questions
Exactly.
in your head na, 'di ba? Sino 'to? Like bakit ano nangyari sa akin? Bakit
So,
wala akong
babalik ka sa
kakilala?
tulog.
Matutulog ako ulit para pagising ko ulit, nabalik na ako. Char.
Sana, no?
Oo.
Kung gano'n lang sana kadali.
Pero that's a very
Correct, correct. Ngayon ko lang din na-realize
yung
na hirap pala
it's
pag
a
gano'n.
hypothetical question
True,
pero
true.
mahirap.
Anyway, medyo patapos na yung warm-up na yun, kaya mahirap
Ay,
na
warm
yun
up
eh.
pa lang ba? Akala ko yun na yung full interview.
No, life lessons naman tayo and turning points
Okay.
question. Etong gusto kong malaman din. What's a small decision you made that ended up changing your life in a big way?
Small decision. It's
Mhm.
funny, pero pag iniisip ko, siguro it was uh, using company's internet and and
Nasoler ba?
computer, oo, para mag-browse ng jobs and mag-apply sa cruise.
Uy, in fairness, hindi ko naisip yun.
Parang iniisip ko ngayon, ano ba? Siguro yun. Kasi parang
Cute!
sa amin, parang, di ba, it's not allowed to use, 'di ba, when you're working na bakit ka mag-apply ng
Bongga
job.
si!
So, natatawa ako minsan pag nakakita ako ng meme na
wag mo.
may
Huwag
ganon.
mong sabihin, sinabit mo pa yung ano mo
Oo.
through that computer.
I did, actually. I applied through
Through that
the
computer.
computer na ginagamit
Na
ko sa
office.
work. It was funny, pero parang iniisip ko, if I didn't do it,
Mhm.
siguro,
Yeah.
wala. So parang
Correct,
feeling
correct.
ko
It's going to be remarkable.
parang Kebs na,
Pero
kahit
sa
makita
totoo
ako
lang.
ng mahuli ako ng boss ko na ginagamit ko
Pero
yung
totoo yan.
computer.
It's just a small thing.
Oo.
Pero hindi natin na-notice na
Pero it
leads us to
oo.
something big. Oy!
Diba?
Gusto ko yun, sis.
oo.
Hindi ko
Pag
yun
bored
alam.
kayo sa work,
Scroll na.
scroll na lang tayo.
Good advice. Next question. Who has had the biggest influence on who you are today?
My biggest influence siguro, ever since, siguro, my uncle.
Sinong uncle?
Si
Kilala ko ba?
Sir G. Si Uncle Gilbert.
Oh,
Oo.
okay. The biologist.
Growing up, he was my role
Really?
model. His character, his values, his love for his family.
Iisa lang ba kayo dati ng house?
Oo, hindi naman isa, may separate house kami. Pero
Pero
most of the
magkalapit
time
lang?
doon, oo. Kasi andun sila lolo, lola.
So you grew up talaga na
seeing
kita
him.
siya talaga?
Oo, seeing him. And even nung high school ako, sa kanya ako kumakain, sa kanya kami kumakain, sa faculty room, ganyan. Pero even when I was still young and
elementary,
kid,
gano'n.
oo, parang ang layo ng difference kasi parang kino-compare ko siya sa tatay ko. Na parang
Why?
ang layo ng ano nila, ng
Mindset?
character ng ano nilang dalawa kasi
Really?
may si Papa, siya yung eldest sa kanila, magkakapatid. Si Uncle, siya yung youngest.
Okay!
Oo.
Okay.
So parang, and he was yung parang siguro kung ano yung values and character na develop ko growing up, partly because of him.
Mas nilulook mo siya.
Oo, siya talaga yung parang when I grow up, parang I wanted to be like him. Na ganyan, may stable job, may, alam mo yon, nakakapag-provide sa family. So parang sa kanya, parang siya, oo, siya yung parang may biggest influence ko.
And then close pa kayo ng...
Oo.
Oo. Sa inyong lahat, mas close kayo ng tito mo?
Oo. Sa lahat ng mga kapatid ni Papa.
That's good to hear.
Kasi parang he was there. Like, growing up.
Siya
Even
nagbibigay sa inyo ng baon
college
minsan.
Oo, minsan. So, yung parang, he was a good provider. Kaya mahal na mahal namin yun. Dito nga.
Thank you for sharing. I love that. What's the hardest choice you ever had to make for your family? Did you ever feel Like giving up on your dreams because of responsibilities at home? What's one sacrifice you made that you'd gladly do all over again?